My name's Oliver Eskriett. I'm tool room lead here at Brandauer, and I've been here for 9 years now. Tool room lead, so I oversee the maintenance and the new tooling, which is on a separate site. The day-to-day, just differences in how busy it can be and the different challenges that they face. No 2 days are the same, so it keeps you on your feet, keeps you entertained. My role positively impacts the customers from a maintenance side, making sure that the tooling is right for the press shop, ensuring that the quality is correct there, but also for the new tooling as well, making sure that the targets are hit for the customer and for the supply dates that they need for their trials and their assemblies. Obviously I joined as an apprentice through, so I'd say to anyone, just enjoy it. It's a nice family environment here, a friendly bunch, but just bask in the experience of what we've got here. You know, there's some real good people here to learn from.